So I'm going to show you how to use the jQuery price UI. So as you can see, we have a slider, and if, for example, you want to set your project budget, the price the user can select before starting the project. So you can create a sign up form and tell your maximum price, your price or budget for your software project. You can use this slider, and as you can see, it dynamically changes as we move the slider. So this is basically the UI. It's the jQuery UI, which makes such elegant UI. So let's get to the code. So first of all, you need to add these links, the jQuery links like these into your project. Once you go to the jQuery UI website, you can get these style sheets and the scripts you added inside the head tag. And after adding these scripts and links, the style sheets, it's about 4 to 5. After adding those, you need to create a function. Now the the function is really simple. It's basically a script. Inside the script tag, you create a function. Now jQuery syntax is it starts with a dollar sign, and inside the dollar sign you encapsulate and use your functions. For example, over here you can see that we created a function and an ID slider range min, and inside that slider method we gave, inside the body we gave the attributes values, like range is minimum, value is about 37, minimum is 1, etc. And then we created another function, and what this function does is the amount of dollar selected, and it does the string concatenation with the dollar sign string with your selected dollar amount value. And the plus sign is the string concatenation operator in JavaScript. So over here, what you need to do is then you also create another amount, and the amount, the value, the dollar sign is string concatenation with the slider range and the slider value. So this is your function which does the calculation. Now inside the body tag, what you need to do is create a paragraph tag over here, and inside that paragraph tag you create a label. Now label is used when you click on the label, it takes the input to the UI control, and then you create an input tag with the type is text. Now this is the important part. You gave the ID amount, and it's read only. You cannot edit or change the value. And the style attribute gives the CSS, the cascading style sheet properties, the color, the layouts, the font weight, all properties, and the border are given here. And after that, what you need to do is you need to add a div and give the ID slider range main. Now slider range main is created in jQuery. So basically this will tell the div that this convert this into a jQuery minimum range slider. So that's how you create